Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. For those of you who particularly we English, this is beautiful berries growing wild in UK. They're ready, they're ready, they're ripe and ready. Beautiful. Exactly. Wherever you go, you see the wild berries growing. Now, so look at that. What they are. Beautiful. Wowzers. Ready for the picking, but people would rather go to the stores and pay £2 for a little pack when they can come and pick them wild and fresh as they grow. Beautiful. God bless. Look at that. You know, sir, something you don't get back home in a place like Pakistan. You don't get berries like this. Beautiful. I feel like going down and recording it properly. Let's go and have a little wander. Just hope we don't get stung by a bee or something. Over there, they're still not ripe yet. They're still growing. Small. Sorry, people. We used to speak in half Pashto and half English. They're not ripe yet. They're little green ones, little red ones, and then you get the all the way up to there. All the way up there, that's all berries. And over here, I can't get too close because I'm going to get stung. But I just thought I'd get you a better view. Wowzers. Come on. Anybody watching this, you got to admit how tasty do they look. Wow. Wild blackberries, I think they call them. If I'm not mistaken, a blast from the past. Reminds me of our childhood when we used to pick them along the way. And here, all of these are not ripe yet. All them ones. But for some reason, on this section from here, all the way over there. Beautiful. Even though we haven't had too much rainfall, it's been a scorcher over summer. We still got beautiful growth. Look at that. Let me just try and get a full zoom. Wow, look at that. Wow. Yeah, I think I'll have a sample of that.